Are you a research student juggling multiple tasks and looking for a reliable, powerful laptop to keep up with your demands? Whether it's data analysis, paper writing, or virtual meetings, having the right laptop can make all the difference. Welcome to Tech Insights, your go-to source for the latest trends, tools, and tips in the tech world. Whether you're an expert or just beginning your tech adventure, there's something here for everyone. Today let's explore the top 10 best laptops for research students 2024 problem. As a research student, you likely face challenges such as heavy multitasking, managing large datasets, and long hours of study. A laptop that's too slow or doesn't have enough battery life can hold you back, making your work harder than it needs to be. Agitate. Imagine spending hours on a project only for your laptop to crash in the middle of analyzing data or draining its battery while you're away from a power source. It can be frustrating and waste precious time when all you want is a reliable device that can keep up with your pace. Solution. That's why we've curated a list of the top 10 best laptops for research students in 2024. These laptops not only provide the power, speed, and performance you need but also ensure long battery life and portability for working on the go. Whether you're working with complex data, conducting research remotely, or managing multiple projects, these laptops will make sure you never miss a beat. 1. HP Spectre X360 Price. $1,450. The HP Spectre X360 offers a sharp 3K OLED display, long battery life, and a premium design. Its convertible nature makes it versatile for research work and reading papers in tablet mode. It's lightweight, making it great for on-the-go students. 2. Dell Latitude 9430 Price. $2,080. This business-class laptop excels in productivity with its powerful Intel Core i7 processor and long battery life. With its 2-in-1 form factor and impressive security features, it's ideal for handling large datasets or academic research tasks. 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 Price. $1,299. The Surface Laptop 5 is a sleek, lightweight device with a vibrant display and great performance. Equipped with an Intel Core i5, i7 processor, it's perfect for multitasking between writing papers, research, and video calls. Further continuing. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us out. 4. Acer Swift 5 Price. $1,100. Compact yet powerful, this laptop features a 12th Gen Intel Core processor and weighs just 2.6 pounds. Its 16-hour battery life ensures you can research or write papers all day without needing a charge. 5. Lenovo Yoga 9i Price. $1,400. Yoga 9i combines a premium build with a stunning 4K display. Its convertible design, fast performance, and long battery life make it a great choice for research students who need a portable device. 6. Apple MacBook Air, M2, 2024. Price. $1,199. Featuring Apple's M2 chip, the new MacBook Air delivers excellent speed and energy efficiency. It's a perfect blend of portability and power, ideal for students who work with multiple applications simultaneously. 7. ASUS ZenBook S13 OLED Price. $1,399. This OLED laptop combines a lightweight design with powerful performance and a brilliant display. With up to 20 hours of battery life, it's ideal for research work that requires long study sessions. 8. Google Pixelbook Go Price. $999. The Pixelbook Go is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring excellent battery life and quick performance. Its ultra-lightweight design makes it perfect for research students who are always on the move. Before discussing the last ones, if you know someone who would benefit from this info, share this video with them and spread the knowledge. And for more in-depth tech insights and recommendations, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest content. 9. LG Gram 17, 2024. Price. $1,800. Known for its incredible lightweight 17-inch design, this laptop offers a spacious display for multitasking, a long battery life, and excellent performance. It's a great fit for students dealing with large data files and documents. 10. Dell Inspiron 16 Plus Price. $1,150. The Inspiron 16 Plus is a large-screen laptop offering powerful performance with Intel Core i7 and NVIDIA GeForce graphics. Its ample screen real estate and fast speeds make it an excellent choice for handling research tasks, including data analysis and academic writing. These laptops offer a combination of performance, battery life, and portability, all crucial for research students in 2024. Thanks for watching Tech Insights. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. We provide expert recommendations on the best laptops to fit your needs, and if you have a specific request for a laptop review or topic, let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, and keep exploring the world of tech with us.